The work of the legislature in the House of Representatives will proceed no matter who among the 10% of the lawmakers/contractors are eventually charged and convicted. Ilocos Norte Representative and Presidential Firstborn Sandro Marcos, meanwhile, has indicated to appear and testify before the ICI at any given time. Our Mela Lismoras has more on the course of denials from the latest set of 8 congressmen tagged by the ICI for indictment with the Ombudsman.
House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos is ready to cooperate with the investigation of the Independent Commission for Infrastructure regarding issues on flood control projects. In the letter sent by the presidential son to the ICI, it was stated that he respects the work of the commission to uncover the truth. That's why he is willing to appear at their hearings at any time, especially since he has nothing to hide. For its part, the ICI confirmed that they have received the letter.
We will have the commission, as right now, naghihiling sila. They would have to convene and decide on when the congressman will be available for a hearing.
House Speaker Faustino Boje D. III meanwhile assured that whatever happens, the work in the House of Representatives will continue. This following the statement of Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla that more than 10% of lawmakers are being investigated and will continue to be investigated regarding the flood control issue, which may affect House operations. Speaker D said accountability is part of public service, so lawmakers will continue cooperating with any investigation while still fulfilling their duties as legislators. Several lawmakers from both the majority and minority blocs also believe that services in the House will not be disrupted despite the controversy.
Sa akin naman personally, 'di ba? I don't think na maapektuhan naman kasi continuous pa rin yung, continuous pa rin nating legislative work dito.
Kahit sabihin natin 10% yan, you still have 90% of the members functioning, and that's more than enough to get things done.
On their respective social media pages, House Solons implicated in the ICI list issued statements and denied accusations. Like CWS Party List Representative Edwin Garjola, Uswag Ilonggo Party List Representative Jojo Ang, Cagayan 3rd District Representative Jojo Lara, and Surigao del Norte 1st District Representative Lalo Matugas. Mela Lismoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.